How to use split screen on Windows 11. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the split screen function on Windows 11. This feature is perfect for multitasking and maximizing your productivity, so let's dive right in. First, let's start with the two windows screen setup. To begin, click and hold on the title bar of the window you want to snap. Now, drag it to the left side or the right edge of your screen. You will notice your mouse cursor will disappear when you reach the edge. Once you see the outline of the window, you can release the cursor. Now, your windows is pinned to one half of the screen. On the opposite side, you will see a collection of your other active windows. Simply click on any of these windows to snap it into the other half of the screen. For a quicker method, you can use a handy keyboard shortcut. With the Windows active, press the Windows key along with the left or right arrow key. This will automatically snap the windows to the side. Repeat this process with another window on the opposite sides and select one from the option that appears. Now, let's explore how to set up 3 or even 4 on the large monitor. You can see a square box right next to the cross option over here. Once you select that, you can see that you can either enable 3 or 4 windows together. And there you have it. You can now efficiently use multiple windows on your screen, making multitasking a breeze. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.